here from JTS. Setting up a power system in the back of a wagon can be a bit of a challenge. There's always the space issues and that. So this customer's bought us this Pajero Sport, done a beautiful drifter system in the back, which, you know, once again, what can I say, really well made. So what we've done, we've given him some power down the side here, just a small amount of stuff. We've got solar input here as well, but where's the battery, I ask you say? Well, let's have a look over the back behind the seats, the perfect place for it. Here we can see they've built in the room for the battery to be concealed at the back here, and what we've done is just wired in one of the Victron DCD units, solar unit. We've got MIDI fuses, small blade fuses for all the outlets. We've also got the Renogy battery with the Renogy head unit so that you can see the state of charge of your battery, the voltage, and it also shows in there that this is a 100 amp battery, just to confirm that information. And all that's done through the Cat 5 port that's built into the battery. The other thing I just want to mention is the Victron DC-DC charger. She's a pretty smart unit because she knows all about smart alternators. So we just make the settings work for your vehicle, put it all in, and then we don't need that ignition source. If you like what you see, give us a call or comment down below. We love to talk about this stuff, and shoot on over to our webpage. We've got some great things on there that you can use in your system.